So what was I most proud of in 2020? Well, that would definitely be our members. As most people probably remember, we were going through the COVID pandemic at that point, and our members really stepped up their game. We had about 13,500 buyers that were in limbo, that had homes and desperately needed to get into safety and housing. And it was really our Realtor members that stepped up, continued to work after being deemed essential, and provided exceptional service to their buyers and sellers at a time that they really needed them to. That's what I'm most proud of. One of the things that's always stood out to me is Realtor resilience. And in 2020, we went through a major milestone with dealing with COVID and the pandemic. And even in 2024, we're now moving through the changes that went into effect on 8/17. What continues to keep me so incredibly optimistic about our industry and the amazing Realtor professionals that continue to work in it is that we're resilient. We always have the ability to move through any adversity and not only survive, but actually thrive in a new environment and continue to bring that exceptional level of service to all the clients and consumers that we're blessed to have the opportunity to serve during their journey into home ownership or in the need to sell a property. And finally, in conclusion, I just want to say happy birthday, MAR. What an incredible first 100 years. And I'm looking forward to seeing the essential and incredible things that we get to do as an association over the next 100. Best wishes for many, many years to follow.